Hey guys, in this lecture we'll be covering folders and search bar in Tableau at the data pane. So in order to create folders on your fields, what you will do is first we're gonna have to change the view from the data source level to the folder. So as you can see, all of these fields belong to the orders table, which is shown right here, and all of these different fields belong in the people table. All of these other fields that are not in either of these tables were created by us in our previous lectures. So we have the groups, we created a alias, I believe. We created the geographical hierarchies, and we created groupings, and we created a calculation in our previous examples. So in order to change the view from the data source to group by folder, you would need to go to the drop down and change it to group by folder. Once you have it here, using folders you can keep your data, all of these fields, in a much cleaner manner, which will help you later identify or get to the field much faster. So right now we didn't have that many fields in our data set, but usually at the company level we would have maybe 50-60 fields or 50-60 different columns, and trying to identify or find where that column is can be done through the search feature, which we'll go over next. But using folders you can keep your data better maintained. So in order to create the folder, you would right click on the certain dimension, go to folders and create folder, and we'll give it a name, click on OK, and now all of this data is in the save folder, and now you can drag in the fields. So this is a great way to arrange your data by maybe geographical fields, right click, create folders, go to create folder, calculations. You can drag your geographic fields right here, and so on. So this way you can better keep track of your data. So if you don't want to create the folders, you can also use a search bar right here. So basically the search bar lets you find certain fields in your data set much faster. So you can type in date and it will show you all the columns that have date in their name. You can type in name, you can type in category, you can type in C, and then you can see, you can find the fields much faster using the data pane. To get here, all we did was click on this search icon up here.